Yo, what's going on, y'all? Told y'all I'll be back. Got another upgrade coming. I told y'all this week we're getting the stars done. All right, let's check out the inside, see what it looks like. As you guys can see, it's a little hard to see, but it's just that typical black. And honestly, we gotta do more. With all the lights, I know they're not on right now, but with all the lights or all the ambient lighting, I kind of wanted to add that little extra touch, and I feel like that is what's holding it back. So for you guys, this is gonna be the before. For me, it's gonna take about a couple days, maybe a day or two to get it done. This is what it looks like from the back. Figure this may be a better view. Like I said, just that solid black. But in a day or two, it's gonna look like this. Yeah. Yeah, it came out fire. So what I got done, I got the 800 star package. So yeah, it's a quick turnaround, about 2 days. But I'm really happy with the product. The only thing is with this car, you can't really see it, but there's these two black spaces in the middle. That's where the sunroofs are. You can't add the lights to the sunroof, I guess, because there's no material underneath to put the strands through. But even with that, it still came out great. 800 lights seems to be enough, covered the whole space. So yeah, I'm happy with it. All right, so right here, I'm gonna show you guys kind of photos of when it was getting done. This one, you can see this is when they're putting all the lights through the headliner, just to kind of see what it looks like when they're putting the strands through. I just wanted to give you guys a little behind the scenes before it actually went in the car, just so in case you're doing it yourself, you can see what it looks like. So here are a couple photos just showing the behind the scenes of what was happening. All right, guys, so this is gonna be the end of the video. Told you I was getting it done. Just wanted to show y'all what it looked like. So overall, I just want to say shout out to my boy Alex down at RWC Garage. He does everything. He's the one who did the Starlights for me. If you need anything done, your Starlights, bodywork, fenders, bumpers, anything done, painting, polishing, everything, anything you need done, go check him out. Go tap in with him, get your work done, because if you get it done with him, it's gonna get done right. My bad for having to kind of do this in the garage. Usually I kind of go outside, get a better layout, but it has been raining like crazy where I am, so just bear with me, everyone. The next video is gonna look better. As for my next videos, I got a couple for the exhaust, few drive-bys, a couple other things I got planned, so stay tuned. Like always, I appreciate you guys for tuning in, checking in. I know not many people do a lot with the GLA, but I'm gonna show what can be done with all the stuff that I do. So appreciate the love. Like, comment, subscribe, all of that. Till next time, I'll see y'all. Peace.